right now we're just setting up the buildings for the modules. This, of course, represents Silverton, the Silverton Depot, which this is not in Silverton.
Lead me around. Show me what you got here.
All right, well, let's go.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, let's go this way.
It's a good way to go.
This right here is a piece of masterpiece right here. The gentleman's not here right now. This is all piece by piece that he built. It's not a kit. It's things that he all built up by himself. And he's won a couple of awards for it.
Beautiful.
And a lot of it is freelance. Sometimes some of the guys will make like lights down there of Silverton and Depot. Some of them are just whatever they'll be.
What do you got running here?
Well, this is called a goose.
Okay, we got them coming at each other.
And whoops, there were quite a few of them made by the RGS Railroad when they.
We showed it down.
Again, this was in the
There we go.
Silverton area.
Very track here and there.
Where did the geese all run?
You're around Southern. Yeah, you get around it.
To Durango. Ridgeway to Road.
Now this here is whoop. Now you get that off there. I brought mine.
What's that? You brought yours?
Yes.
You have the same one? You have the C19 like that?
This is a representative of a building that is actually still standing, and it's about as far as it's ever going to go is just that paper cutout.
No, the paper
That
cutouts
belongs to him.
eventually get rebuilt.
Nice.